My flower plant here is looking very happy. Those may just look a little bit better. These are spectacular. These are my hydrangeas, which I did not plant. They are looking healthy. Just blooming everywhere. Anyways, what I really want to show is something that is somewhat disturbing. So here it is. Meet the kudzu vine. Looks pretty benign on the surface. But as I am finding out, it's a very, very invasive vine that just grows everywhere here in the south. As a matter of fact, it's called the vine that ate the south. And it looks quite harmless. But it overtakes trees, abandoned homes, telephone poles, and whatever else might be on its path. Let's see if we can look at it from another angle. Now, as I have learned, these vines are actually edible. This I learned while watching Dr. Berg the other day, and he was talking about using this leaf, in salads. But it does need to be cooked. It cannot be eaten raw. So the importance of cooking it is of utmost importance. Okay, so this kudzu vine was brought to the U.S. in the late 1800s as ornamental. And it was spread from the 1930s to the 50s for erosion control. It grows up to a foot per day, regardless of how much I've tried to cut it back using shears. It's almost a futile task. And as I said before, it can be eaten. The leaves, the flowers, the roots. So I'm thinking this might just be the ticket since we're hearing about all these food shortages. Perhaps this is a good way to supplement the diet. So, going back to its more harmful effects, this perennial just terrorizes every native plant there is. And it's making its way to the Midwest and Northeast now. It's native to Japan and South Asia. Promoted, as a great tool for soil erosion. So it was planted in abundance. Little did we know then that the kudzu is quite a killer. Growing over everything, it just outcompetes everything from native plants to grasses to shrubs, and it thrives in areas with mild winters and hot summers. This particular patch here isn't so great, so big. I'm trying to weed it. Our next option would be to maybe mow it, getting a couple of goats